Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will delete the views for About, Services and Product and replace them with Events, Activities and Culture. We could have renamed everything, but I thought it would be a good exercise to go through a normal procedure. In the project folder, select the three partials and delete. On the client side, remove the three routes. Lastly, remove the menu items. In the next step, we will create a new section for the first of our new views. The procedure for a bootstrap structure is to add a container, row, column, and inside the column we'll add a title. Duplicate the section for the other two views. We give the sections an ID so that we're able to identify them. Change the text for the section headings. Create the routings by choosing the section and clicking on the Move to Include File button. This converts our section to a partial and creates a route to the partial. Notice that I have preceded the name of the partial with an underscore. This is normal practice for naming partials, but is not a requirement. Give the route a unique ID. I had already assigned an ID of events to the section, which is why I have preceded the name of this ID with RTE. Lastly, assign a name for the path. We'll repeat this process for the other two views. Now let's create the links to the new views. Select the Home menu item and insert after a nav item. Duplicate the nav item for the other two views. Grab the first of the new nav items and change the text. For the link, we need to point to the route rather than to the file itself. Before I forget, give the link an ID. Here I have prefixed events with NAV to keep it unique. Repeat the process for the other two nav items. Save the file. We are nearly done. The last item that needs looking at is the meta.json file. Here we need to change the data to suit our new views. I will not bore you with my typing skills. The title and description will be changed outside of this video. Save the file when done. Checking our work in the browser, we see that our views work as expected. Another task well done. In the next video, we will tackle the footer. Thank you for watching.